Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and getting the image. Make sure your PC has a 64-bit CPU, 4+ GB RAM, and virtualization enabled in BIOS. Once done, download the Android x86 ISO and a tool like Rufus or Bailna Etcher to write it to a USB. Make sure to choose the right target, UEFI versus legacy, because that affects boot mode. Also back up important files and reserve an 8+ GB USB stick so you can create a reliable installer. You now write the image and perform installation. Open Rufus, pick the Android ISO, set partition scheme to GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy, then flash to USB. Once written, reboot and boot from that USB. Choose Live first to test drivers, then install to write to disk. When installing, create or resize partitions to avoid wiping windows and install Grub for multi-boot. Make sure to enable data persistence if the build supports it so your apps and settings survive reboots. You finish by completing the first boot setup and confirming hardware works. Sign into Google if using Play Store or Sideload Core apps, then install drivers and tweaks for Wi-Fi, GPU, and input devices using included settings or APK installers. Once done, update system settings and enable performance options. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check BIOS boot order and secure boot. Disable secure boot or try a different Android x86 kernel or ISO build. That usually resolves most boot and driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.